Class 2 Arithmetic Topic Shapes. Today we are going to learn about shapes, basic shapes of geometry. Today we are going to learn about shapes, basic shapes of geometry. As you have already done in your previous class, so let's revise first. A very good day to my dear students. So, how many kinds of shape do you know? Tell me, how many kinds of shapes do you know? Yes, we know the 4 basic shapes as we have done 4 basic shapes in our previous class. So what are the basic shapes that we know? Yes, circle, square, rectangle and triangle. Let's recap once more. Circle, square, rectangle and triangle. These are the basic shapes of geometry in our surrounding. These are the basic shapes of geometry in our surrounding. Okay, so first let's see the basic shapes of geometry once more. So these are 4 basic shapes of geometry. These are the 4 basic shapes of geometry. Circle, square, rectangle and triangle. Circle, square, rectangle and triangle. Okay, the first one. So which shape is this? Come on, let's guess. Which shape is this? Yes. This shape is called a circle. This shape is called a circle. As we know, a circle is round. A circle which has no corners and no sides. A circle can be rolled on the floor. A circle can roll on the floor easily. So, a circle is round. A circle has no corners. A circle can roll on the floor. Now, let's see the definition of a circle. A circle has no sides and no corner. So, what is the definition of a circle? A circle has no sides and no corner. So you can see there is no side in this and there is no corners. It is round in shape. There is a straight line which has been turned round and it forms a circle. So a circle does not have any corners and any sides. It is known as a circle. See the image? This is a circle which has no sides and no corner. Okay, so we find many types of circles around us. You see, na? Many types of circles around your surroundings. So there are many things which we find in our home, in our school, and many places. So let's see the circles which we see at our home. Circles which we see at our homes. Now, the very first thing when we wake up in the morning, first of all we all see the clock. Okay, so wall clock, mostly there are circle wall clocks, right? We can see time in it. Wall clock is a circle in shape. We can see time in it. Okay, the second, what you see? The second is your mother's bangle. Your mother's bangle, which your mother wears. Okay, it is also circle in shape. Now, third one is plates and bowls. Plates and bowls in which we eat, in which we drink soup, in which we eat noodles and many things. So plates and bowls are also circle in shape. It also does not have any corners and any sides. Now the last thing, coins. You see coins? Your father gives you coins, many coins. So they are also circle in shape. Now circle outside your home. What types of circle you see outside your home? Yes, wheels of vehicles. Now different vehicles have different wheels. So different types of vehicles have different types of wheels. Like small vehicles will be having small wheels. Large and huge vehicles will be having a big wheels. For example, cars. So like small cars are having small wheels, but big cars will be having big wheels. Bus is also having a big wheels. Cycle is also having wheels. Auto, compared to bus, car, auto is having a small wheel. So this proves that different types of vehicles which we see around us outside our home, they have different types of wheels. Okay, now but all the different types of wheels are in circle in shape, right? Now circles at your school. So what are the circles which you notice at your school? Yes, the wall clock we have. When there is a tiffin time or something, we always see what is the time in the wall clock of our school. Yes, it is a circle in shape. Your teacher's bangles is also circle in shape. Now, I will show you some images of circular objects. Now, I will show you some images of circular objects. Circular objects. Just have a look. So, what are the circular objects you can see in this image? Yes, coin, donuts, clock, a whole pizza which you love to eat, and one of the favorite biscuits which every child loves to eat, that is Oreo. Then the wheels, they are all circle in shape. So coin, donuts, clock, pizza, Oreo, and the wheels are in circle in shape. Now see the different coins over here. Have a look. Okay, I have more images of circular objects. Let me show you. These are clock, globe, ball, cucumber slice, signboard, CD, and etc. They are all in circular shape. They are all circular objects. Yes, one more image I have. See, wheels, ring, tomatoes, toffee, buttons, Christmas ring, tire, Saturn, wool, and etc. They are all in circular shape. They all come under the group of circular objects. Now see circle forms of the smallest. Circle forms of the smallest, that is sun, apple, ball, ring, etc. Exercise 1. Now identify the circular objects from the image. Exercise 1. Identify the circular objects from the image. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. Geometric shapes. Geometric shapes. Which one does not belong to the circle group? Which one does not belong to the circle group? Now practice work. Now find two more objects which have the shape of a circle. You have to find it by your own. Find two more objects which have the circle shape. Now the second one. So which shape is this? Which shape is this? Yes, this is a square. This is a square. So from the image we can see there are 4 sides and 4 corners and all are equal. So square has 4 sides, 4 corners and all the sides are equal in length. Now look at the image. Now let me tell you what are the corners and what are the sides. Now see the arrow. Arrow is denoting the corners. Arrows are denoting the corners. And the straight lines are the sides of a square. Definition of square. Definition of square. A square has 4 sides, 4 corners, and all the sides are equal in length. A square has 4 sides, 4 corners, and all the sides are equal in length. Now, there are many objects which are square in shapes in our surrounding. There are many objects which are square in shape in our surroundings. So, let's have a look. Square at your home. What are the things which we see that is in square shape in our home? Yes, the very first one is bread. Bread, which we prefer to eat during breakfast. Which we prefer to eat during breakfast. Number 2 is Ludo board. Ludo board, which we play when we get bored and especially now during this time. We play with our family and friends and spend some quality time together, which we play when we get bored and especially now during this time. We play with our friends and family and spend some quality time. Number 3 is sofa cushion. We use it to relax. Sofa cushion. We use it to relax. Ice cube. Ice cube. Specially used during summer in any types of drink. Squares outside your house. What are the squares that we see outside of our house? The very first thing, when we order a pizza, a whole pizza is square in shape. But when it comes to our home, when it is delivered to our home, it is in a box, and pizza box is, yes, square in shape. Yummy pizzas which comes in a square box. That is pizza boxes. Yes, sweet boxes that we love to eat. Sweet boxes are also square in shape. Napkins used to wipe our face. Napkins used to wipe our face. Then ring box. Squares at your school. Squares at your school. The very first thing that is square in shape in our school is the chalk box. Have you ever noticed? The chalk box is in square shape. And floor tiles. Now I will be showing you some images of square objects. Square objects. See the images? Biscuits, wall clock. Some wall clocks are also in square shape. Yes. Dais and etc. Let's see more images of square objects. The very first image is our favorite, chocolates. It is also in a square shape. Then photo frame, alarm clock, and cushion, etc. There are many more. Exercise 3. Find all square shape objects. Exercise 3. Find all square shape objects. Exercise 4. Identify the squares. Exercise 4. Identify the squares. Practice work. Now you find 2 more objects which have the square shape. Now you find 2 more objects which have the square shape. Third one. Which shape is this? Yes. This is a rectangle. So, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. But the sides are not equal. We know that opposite sides of a rectangle are same. See the image carefully. There are 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Both the long sides are equal and both the short sides are equal. But long side and short sides are not equal in length. Definition of rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, but they are not same. Opposite sides are equal. A rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, but they are not same. Opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. That is, see the long sides are equal and the short sides are equal. It has all the 4 corners. Okay, this thing we have to keep in mind while we are drawing a rectangle. Let's see what are the rectangle objects that we observe in our surroundings. Firstly, rectangles at your home. Rectangles at your home. So what are the things which we see rectangle in shape in our home? That is bed, door, television and laptop. So bed, door, television and laptop. Rectangle outside your home. Rectangle outside your home are bus. Bus. You come to school either by school bus or private bus. All the types of buses are in rectangle shape. The placards. Rectangles at your school. Rectangles at your school. Chalkboard, desk, books, tiffin boxes and pencil boxes. Chalkboard, desk, books, tiffin boxes and pencil boxes. Now let's see the images of rectangular objects. See the very first image. Bed, chalkboard, tray. Bed, chalkboard, tray. Next image, envelope, ruler, aquarium. Envelope, ruler, aquarium, etc. Door, coffee mug, board, stick ice cream, bucket, almirah, book, television, etc. These are some examples of rectangular objects. Exercise 5. Find all the rectangle shape objects. Find all the rectangle shape objects. Exercise 6. How many? Exercise 6. How many? That means you have to find how many rectangles, square and circle you can see in the image. Okay, so what you have to find? You have to find how many rectangles, squares and circles you can see in the image. Practice work. Now find 2 more objects having the shape of a rectangle. Find 2 more objects having the shape of a rectangle. The last one, that is, which shape is this? Yes, it is a triangle. It is a triangle. So, triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. It is not compulsory for the 3 sides to be equal. In a triangle, it is not compulsory that all the 3 sides are equal. See the image. Arrow indicates the corners of the triangle. The arrow indicates the corners of the triangle. And straight or slanting lines are the sides. Straight or the slanting lines are the sides of a triangle. Definition of a triangle. Definition of a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. The triangle objects around us. Triangles outside home. Triangles outside homes are mountain, ice cream cone, nachos and tents. Triangles at your school. Triangles at your school is triangular prisms. Triangular prism. Now I will show you the images of triangular objects. The images of triangular objects. Triangular objects, that is watermelon slice, mountain, party cap, tent, pyramid ring, signboard, ice cream cone, umbrella, pizza slice, and hanger. Triangle forms the smallest. Flag boat, cans, flag boat, cone, Christmas tree. Flag boat, cone, Christmas tree. Find all the triangle shape objects. Exercise 7. Find all the triangle shape objects. Exercise 8. Matching game. Exercise 8. Matching game. Practice work. Now find two more objects that is having the shape of a triangle. Exercise 9. Fill in the blanks. Exercise 9. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, rectangle. You have to fill it up. Number 2, square. Number 3, triangle. And number 4, circle. You have to fill it up. Exercise 10. Exercise 10. Look at these pictures. Write how many sides and corners each has. Name the shape each looks like. Look at these pictures. Write how many sides and corners each has. Name the shape each looks like. So, today we are going to learn two new shapes. Today we are going to learn two new shapes. That is cube and cylinder. That is cube and cylinder. These shapes are also known as solid shapes. First of all, cube. See, this is the image of cube. It has flat faces, the corners, and the straight edges. So this is a cube. Definition of a cube. This is a cube. It looks like a dice. It has flat faces. It has straight edges. It has corners. It has flat faces. It has straight edges. It has corners. And it looks like a dice. Cubes at home. That is sugar cubes, dice, gift box. See the images of cube shape objects, dice, blocks, etc. Then ice cubes. And the last one is cylinder. So this is the cylinder. See the image? It has flat face and it has a curved face. Now definition of a cylinder. This is a cylinder. It's look like a drum. This is a cylinder. It looks like a drum. It has a curved face. It has two flat faces. It has a curved face and it has two flat faces. Cylinders that we see at home are gas cylinder, can, and battery. See the images of the cylinder shaped objects. Cylinder, can, drum, battery. See the difference of cylinder and a cube. Exercise 11. Look at these objects. Name shape which you have done today. Only solve the shapes that you know. Exercise 12. Draw the following shapes in your home. That is circle, square, rectangle, triangle, cube, cylinder. Thank you.